Hi friends, this is Lambretta 150 Series 2 front mudguard. We will have a close look. This is my home. This is my home. The Lambretta Lee 150 mudguard will look like this. Whereas if we have a look, it is different. Why? Because it is Lambi 150, not Lambretta. The Lambretta Lee 150 Series 2 mudguard will look like this. Why they change like this and why the name has become Lambretta to Lambi 150? Because due to the legal problems with Italy, until 1977, all scooters were made under the name of Lambretta 150 Series 2. Due to legal problems, they changed the design like this. From this to this, there are only Lambi 150, not Lambretta 150 Series 2. See, you can differentiate the change in model. Very big size. It's fully painted with a clear coat. Clear coat has been done on this, and when you have an inside look, it will look like this. I'm rebuilding another Lambretta. So this is, so when you have a look, see, this is my son's Lambretta, small Lambretta. When you closely have a look, then only you will come to know the difference. You can easily make out the difference between the Lambi 150 and Lambretta 150 Series 2. So I am rebuilding another Lambretta. It is just for informational video and maybe useful to some people who are new to Lambretta. There are no mechanics available. That is only the problem. But many people are having Lambrettas with them in India. Lambretta scooter is evergreen scooter internationally. I hope this video is informative. Let us meet again.